Following the charge of information by the Attorney General of the country last week Friday to the fact that Mr. Omoyele Sowore should stand trial for insulting the president, for laundering his own money, and for treasonable felony for planning a protest against the government of President Muhammadu Buhari. The State Security Service, which had sought to amend the detention order of Mr. Sowore for another period of 20 days, was compelled this morning to apply for the withdrawal of the application ex parte. And of course, on our own part, we withdrew our own applications for bail when we thought he was being investigated for terrorism, as well as the other application to challenge or challenging the order, detaining him. As it is, the lawyer to the State Security Service now applied that in view of the fact that an information has been filed that our client be further detained, we will counter by reminding the court that there is no order of court today warranting the further detention of our client, and that nobody can be detained in Nigeria without an order made by a competent court. And on that basis, the court acceded to our application and ordered the immediate release of our client. But in view of the fact that the government has filed an information which is now pending before this honorable court, the court gave a condition, by asking that my client be released to me and I should deposit his international passport. And if and when the state decides to charge him or to arraign him, I will produce him. Of course, that is not a problem for me. My client is not going to run it.
When Luther, I remember. We remember. When Luther, I remember.
We've gotten a judgment to our favor this afternoon. We've been in court all day. We got the court's ruling of the judge releasing Sowore with some conditions, depositing his international passport, and then he's been released to the Learned Silk, Femi Falana, and he'll be produced anytime he's been expected to be in court. We have this to tell them: Sowore will not run away. Sowore is a man of integrity. He has shown it not once, not twice, on countless occasions. Sowore means well for this country. Sowore has done so much for this country. Even the so-called anti-corruption fights this government preach against, even though they do not practice it, Sowore has been doing this over time. So we are grateful this moment for the verdict of the court. It has been able to give the common man hope, to show that the court is really the hope of the common man. And we'll be taking notes from there. Our Learned Silk will be processing his immediate release, so we can assure Nigerians that Sowore will be released today.